Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thanks for tuning in. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make chocolate letters. First, you're going to need this chocolate silicone letter mold. I got this off Amazon, I believe for $5, and I'm also going to use this brick silicone mold, and I'll show you how to make these as well. First, you want to melt down your chocolate. I'm using milk chocolate, but you can also use white chocolate or candy melts, or if you're going to dye some white chocolate. And then you're going to take a Ziplock bag or a pastry bag, piping bag. I'm going to use a parchment paper piping bag. Add all of your chocolate to that bag. Once all of your chocolate is added to the bag, take the bag and seal the top off, and then we're going to start piping the chocolate in the letters. You're going to take your bag and gently squeeze and outline each letter. I'm going to outline the phrase "break me" so that after I take them out, I can add them to my breakable, smashable heart that I'll show you after this. After I outlined all my letters, I'm also going to fill in my brick pieces that I'm going to add to my chocolate arrangement. So I'm just going to fill them in, and then after this, I'm going to take a scraper and I'm going to scrape the top off. So this is what they look like when they're all filled in. I'm gonna take this cake scraper. You can use a butter knife, it'll work just as fine. And then I'm going to use that to scrape the tops off of both molds. What this does is it makes sure that all of the chocolate is filled in the bottom while taking off any excess chocolate. Once you're done, put these in the freezer for 10 minutes. Once your mold comes out of the freezer and it's been in there for 10 minutes, we're going to carefully remove each letter. So what I do, I have gloves on, and I'm going to pop the back of the silicone mold and it'll pop right out for you. So just press gently on the back side and pop it out. The ones that have holes in the middles, like a B and an A, it's going to be a little bit more difficult, but if you pop it out and then tug a little bit, it should come out smoothly for you. For the small candy bar brick pieces, these are really easy. All you have to do is pop them off the back and they'll fall out themselves. It's very easy to take these out. After you take them out, I'm going to add them all around my arrangement. And if you want to see the full video on these chocolate covered strawberries or smashable hearts, you can find them on my channel as well. Now I'm going to take my chocolate alphabet letters that we made before, and I'm going to add them to my smashable heart, but you can also add them to any type of treats you want, like cupcakes or cake. To get your chocolate letters to stay, I just outlined chocolate on the back of each and then pressed it on whatever treat you want. So here's how the final arrangement came out. You can see the chocolate letters, they're so cute on top of the heart. And then I also added the little small chocolate bars to the outside. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.